Hi, today is time to do a spring cleaning. It's spring in most of the of the countries, I guess, North Hemisphere. Not yet in Canada. I'm talking about the weather, not the calendar. Outside there is some snow, so it's still winter in Canada, but it's still time to really clean and go through all the windowsill, cut the dead leaves, pictures, check how are the plants, because we had some surprise. Some did some basil shoot, so new growth from the bottom, but if you let all the older leaves and almost dying or even dead leaves covering them, they won't grow that fast. So sometimes you need to cut even healthy leaves in order to have the basil shoot to grow better. So I will go with you over and you'll see how much stuff I removed from this windowsill. So coming up. So here it is, mid-April, almost the 2/3 of April. So I didn't clean this for a long time, and if you feel the windowsill is kind of dark, it's not only because it's cloudy, but because I have a light that died after, I don't know, 6 years. And I ordered a new one like that. So my wife decided to hijack a bit my windowsill, so I will move that and we'll start the cleaning. Okay, so where do I start? There is so much stuff. Yes, you need a big bucket. Believe me, there is so much things. For example, this one, almost totally dead. I will remove it. I could keep it and overfeed it, blah blah blah, this kind of stuff, but I just want a fresh start for this year. So I will cut all the half-dead or dying pictures, and it will allow the airflow, better airflow, more light reaching the ground, and overall it looks better. So get your scissors and let's cut things. So we'll start with the younger plants. I have this Veitchii by Maxima, a fantastic one. Really, it's growing well, beautiful color, but it kind of grew inside the Veitchii beside that, so it's kind of a mess. It's really hard to separate them, but let's talk about the Veitchii. So tiny, medium, and now we are having a new one. And I believe we have another, yes, here, a bigger one. So it's going in the right direction. Now it's growing, seriously. So you see how it evolved. So I may need to separate that. Another Veitchii here, leaf jump, so I'm quite happy. And the leaves of Veitchii last forever. So you may need to, cut them. So here on the back we have some new pictures. I cannot go further, but yeah, I cannot clean this part. This one has been cleaned. It's Glandulifera by Trusmadiensis. So it stays very small and very compact, which is okay on the windowsill. I mean, fast-growing plants are hell. For a small reduced space. So, as I said, that's the big Veitchii by Maxima. Look at that. Fantastic picture. I really like this one. Super easy to grow, the color of the leaves are great, and it's shooting very nice pictures. So, nothing really to cut so far, and it's picturing every single leaf is picturing. Winter, summer, doesn't care. So that's the Gothica and the Nepenthes Gothica. It's an hybrid, obviously. And I have some uppers now. And it's super, super sticky. So that's nectar glands. This is the uppers. So they are kind of cool. Very different compared to the lower pictures, but yeah, here. So it's starting, and look here. Do you see it? It's a basal shoot. And this basal will obviously give me some lower picture. So very different. That's an old one. But look at the size of this big potato. Fantastic. So now I have this big, long, vining plant. And once the basal will be bigger, I will start doing a lot of cuttings. Editing this video, I noticed that 80% almost of the viewers are not subscribers. Please subscribe if you like my content. That would encourage me a lot, show me your support. It's not like I'm asking you money, it just subscribe and maybe like, comment. That will help the channel. So if you can spend a few seconds to do that, thanks. Beside that, we have Vicii by Mira. And the new leaves are great, and it's about to picture again. So in the fall and the dead of winter, it didn't really grow a lot of pictures. It was more leaves, but now that it's warming up a little and the days are longer, that's obviously the trigger. Ventricosa effipiata, a half-dead pitcher that I will remove. No pitchering during winter. So it's time to remove, even if the plant has no pitcher anymore. I want the widow seal clean. So here is a better view of the Vicii by Mira. So some tendrils dried and they were not great. And when it's like that, cut that because it's just bone dry. It's a piece of wood. But, okay, let me push that. So it grew on the side. I think it's want to crawl. But we have some nicer tendril with some embryo. Here is the same. So yes, and this new. So the last three leaves started to have some embryo. And under that you see there is a basal shoot, a bigger one, an older one. So that's very cool. Oh yes, Rubcontlii. Okay, hold on. You see the picture here? It's on the back, I cannot reach it. But because we had some weird weather lately, pictures are on and off. This one died, this one is fantastic. So as you see, very, very cool and flared peristome. But some of the new ones stopped, and this one is promising. So until the weather go stable, I will have bad pictures. So those two are, this one is Truncata by Mira, so also Mira. And as you see, okay, let me push that. Really on the Truncata side. So the Mira is just for the color, and as you see, this picture is also coming. So really a strong growing plant, and some pictures are half dead, so I will need to remove that. And this one is a pure Truncata, so it's Truncata red, seed grown. And as you see, a very nice picture. Let me push that. Okay, let me remove this leaf. So as you see, very cool picture. It's growing really strong. I can't wait to have that bigger. The Truncata are loving this weather. So this part is done. Let's move on. Okay, yeah, here. Look at this plant. It's Mollis by Vicii. So we have a few pictures that are great, and they last very long. New pictures are coming, but we have some really old one that we'll need to remove. So those two, for example, three actually. So they need to be removed. Okay, let's talk about this Truncata. That's this one. Definitely, that's the big plants I have, seed grown. This one is Truncata red Pasian, so it's red, and it's huge. Like the leaf jump is crazy. I'll compare that later. So Vicii by Rubcontlii, or vice versa. That's the one in the center. Doing great. But again, under all these, it's almost impossible to see the pictures. I need to remove a lot of stuff. That's the pure VCI, it's Barrio. And there is a lot of old dead stuff. I need to clean it. I've been procrastinating for so long. And this is a new upper picture. So yes, this will have to be inspected properly. What else I can show you here? Oh yes, that's the Truncata Red Pasian. As you see, huge leaf jump. I may need to repot that in a bigger pot. But so far so good. I'll have on the back Maxima wavy leaf. Here is the picture. Okay, let me grab it for you. Pure lime green, fantastic. Really a lime color, beautiful. Oh yes, some, again, old, half dead pictures like that. Everything you need to remove. The next one is Truncata by Effipietta by Maxima. Now that's the upper, and very nice, and they last forever, and they are really beautiful. Like it's the second one, and I have a third one here, so really cool. But I have older leaves that I may need to remove because it's vining now, and the leaves don't die. Like they last forever and cover and block the airflow and the lights. Okay, on the back, I don't know if you can see it. It's Emai, VCI Emai. It's vining. It's going crazy. I will need to see if I take some cuttings or just cut it and get rid of it. So it's bounce back because there is no point of keeping the vine if it's not picturing. Here, it's also a bigger LVB by Norsiana by Maxima, same. Not picturing on the vine, there is not enough humidity. So even though the substrate is humid, but oh yes, look at that, totally squished. So that's why you need to clean your windowsill. This one is Robcontlii by Mollis. Very nice, and I have even a bigger picture on the back, but again with all these leaves, that's kind of hard to see. So another reason why you want to cut and clean your windowsill. And yeah, it's prefer when it's cooler, but still not fully happy. I think it's too dry on the windowsill. Picturing, but really curved. So I'll see if I sell it later or not. Oh, and this big one, that's Glandulifera by VCI. And look at that. All these nectar glands, all this sugar. And yeah, really, really nice and strong grower. But again, the older picture, like, so that's a new one, around 20 centimeter, I guess, compared to the Truncata Red Pasian, which is younger, and compared to the other one I have, Truncata, seed grown, this one. So this one is bigger, but still, that's this one is doing some very good size pictures, and this one is starting to die. I'll let it be for now, but the older ones will be cut, and I already removed a few weeks ago, and I really need to clean all this. But okay, yeah, that's the new picture from this seed-grown Truncata. So as you see, it's still bigger, I mean, than the Glandifera by VCI, but it's nice. And you see how it's like a narrow? This one is way thicker, actually. So interesting, the difference for the same species, but not the same location, obviously. So now I will clean everything, and you see, sometimes you have to find a way to check the plants on the back because of all the leaves that prevent you to see it. That's why I need to clean all this. And this big vine, I don't know if I will remove it or cut it and do some cuttings. I mean, I'll see. And this is the old truncata, and we have a basil again. So I may remove some older leaves to make sure the light reach the bottom. And this one is Lady Pauline. Very nice. But yeah, look at that. There is some dead pictures everywhere. So let's do some cleaning now. And this big bucket is empty. That's gonna be the test. Okay, so half an hour after, this is the kind of stuff. Like it's filled up. And that's not a tiny bucket. And I had more here, and I even piled them here like I needed to clean everything. But now the windowsill will be cleaner. I can see the top of the pots, the lights. I still need to cut a few of them. But as you see, yeah, there is a picture on the back here too. So I'm discovering some pictures after cleaning, while cleaning also. So it's always good. Cleaning the windowsill, at least spring and the fall, helps you to really check how the plants are growing or not. If you have some basil shoots, if something is, I don't know, dying, it's always good. And here, another basil from a veitchii. So again, you discover a lot of things. Here, another picture that was hiding. And don't hesitate to cut some healthy leaves if they prevent the light and the airflow. So here, oh yes, that's the Robcantlii by veitchii. Same, it was impossible to see it. Here I have another picture. Okay, on the back, 2-3 pictures. And here, yeah, another one. So, yeah, cleaning is for me essential. At least I can monitor every plant. So the last part is taking care of this vine, doing cuttings or getting rid of it, putting a name tag so I know what pot comes from the vine, and I would get rid of all these leaves. And don't try to compost Nepenthes parts. They take forever. It's almost like they are waterproof. But this one, that's a big surprise for me. The red Pasian is doing very nice. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question, please shoot in the comments, and until next time, happy growing!